Antenk Electronics. Improvement, concentration, innovation, and dedication are the most important content of the spirit of craftsmen. Founded in 2004, Antenk Electronics Company Limited is located in Shenzhen, Guangdong, which is the most developed Chinese city in the Guangdong, Hong Kong, Macau Greater Bay Area. Antenk Electronics is an advanced technological enterprise with integration of R&D, production and sales, and provides electronic connectors and wiring harnesses for airplanes, high-speed railways, automobiles, industrial control and automation, security protection and monitoring, consumer electronics, medical equipment, instruments, industrial control automation, street lamps, and other fields. Antenk Electronics also has a self-owned brand, Antenk. After many years of development, Antenk Electronics has built a top-notch R&D team and has rich practical experience in the development of connectors and wiring harnesses. Antenk Electronics passed ISO 9001-2015, ISO 14001-2015, IATF 16949-2016. All products made by Antenk Electronics have met the UL standard and obtained many certifications, such as the UL certification and multiple invention patents. Antenk Electronics has obtained many honorary certificates, such as a contract honoring and promise-keeping enterprise in Guangdong Province, a high-tech enterprise, an outstanding private enterprise, and products with trustworthy quality. The devil is in the details. Precision determines quality. Quality is the primary driving force for enterprise development. To provide first-rate services for customers with the first-rate awareness of quality is Antenk Electronics' permanent development direction. Antenk Electronics carries out fine management and builds a strong enterprise in terms of quality. Antenk Electronics has introduced full automatic production equipment with precision surface grinding machines, a Japanese Sodic low-speed wire cutting workshop, an electrical discharge machining workshop, a Taiwan high-speed precision punching machine workshop, horizontal injection molding machines, vertical injection molding machines, and a full automatic assembly workshop. Antenk Electronics makes quality products by science and technology and creates a bright future by careful work. Antenk Electronics implements the management system of monitoring the whole process and strictly controls every production link and detail by the testing system for the production of high-quality products. Antenk Electronics insists on conducting first-rate management, manufacturing first-rate products, and becoming a first-rate enterprise. Antenk Electronics adopts a safe, efficient, fast production model, meets different customer demands with diverse products, and provides perfect services for customers. At present, Antenk Electronics can provide customers with over 10 series of products and more than 10,000 kinds of precision connectors with various specifications. Antenk Electronics mainly offers the cell holder battery holders, DIN 41612 connectors series, round pin header and female header series, the pin header and female header series, box header and ejector header connectors, IDC connectors, board-to-board connectors series, round input and output connectors, machined D-sub type series, Centronic connectors series, wire to board connectors series, SCSI female and male connectors, FPC connectors series, OBD automobile connectors, terminal blocks, cables assembly, wire harness, flexible flat cables. Antenk Electronics has established long-term partnerships with Midea, FCI, TE, Foxconn, Jabil, and other well-known enterprises. With high-quality standards and good services, Antenk Electronics has been well received by customers, offering products worldwide. Over a long period of time, Antenk Electronics has attended exhibitions held in Germany, India, the US, Shanghai, Shenzhen, etc., to popularize the brand Antenk. Antenk Electronics.